Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today to talk about a little feature that most vehicles have and most vehicle owners don't realize that they have it. So you're walking across the parking lot, in our case our VIP Urban Automotive 2015 Cadillac SRX, black, sitting here all day, baking in the sun. You hop in the car, you unlock the car, you get in, you start it, it's sweltering hot inside. Most of you don't realize that there is a feature on your key fob, and you can try this with your vehicle and see if it works. When you hit the unlock once, it unlocks the driver's door. You hit the unlock twice, it unlocks all the doors. But when you press and hold that unlock button, all of the windows actually go down on the vehicle. This allows the vehicle to have all of that hot air escape. You can then unlock the trunk, load up your groceries. The car has the cool air blowing through nicely. You hit the close, and then you can hit the lock and the start, the auto start. That'll automatically turn on your air conditioning, have it cool, and you can get into the vehicle and take off. Posting this video because a lot of you didn't know about the recirc button. Got a lot of comments on it. Check it out on your key fob. GM products, Cadillac, Buick, GMC, and some of the other manufacturers, Mercedes, BMW, have the same feature. You probably don't know it. Thanks very much. Urban Automotive, safety first.